Hello, friends. So let's see what should be the missing number here. Okay, so pause the video for a moment and observe the numbers carefully and decide what is this question mark about. All right, so if you observe carefully the relationship between these three numbers, yeah, the same relation should be here between these three numbers and between these three numbers. If you look at this first circular triangle, what do you see here? That 11 plus 5 gives you 16, which is square of 4. Yeah. Similarly, 13 plus 12 gives you 25, which is the square of 5. And as we know that, so 11 plus 5 is 16, which is the square of 4. Yeah, here 13 plus 12 is 25, which is the square of 5, which is this number, this number. Similarly, 7 plus 2 is 9, which should be the square of, correct, 3. So your question mark should be 3. All right.